Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the TruSens Air Purifier. This home purifier filters out allergies, pet dander, smoke, odors, germs, bacteria, dust, mold, and pollen, with the HEPA filter and UVC light sanitizing technology. Seen here in medium. So this magnificent dual flow air purifier is seen here in medium, although if you're a fan of the TruSens brand, you can get it in large, small, and small dark gray. And the medium stands just over 2 feet high and weighs in at 5.6 kilograms. It's got about 470 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's powered by remote control and captures and destroys pollutants. This 360 degrees DuPont filtration system captures pollutants such as allergens, VOC gases, and microscopic particles. It has 4 levels of purification. Ultraviolet light destroys germs and viruses that can build up on the filter, reducing the recirculations of germs. Most purifiers don't know the air quality in the room, but TruSens does, and it reacts. The remote SensorPod will actively monitor the air quality of the room and take action. So we place this across the room, the SensorPod communicates back to the TruSens purifier so it can automatically adjust its fan speed. This way you can be certain that the entire room is benefiting from cleaner air. Now let me share with you a verified review from Ronald D. White. Very fast shipping, quality product, easy to set up, constant monitoring of the quality of air in the room. After a few days, the air quality was very good. Can notice a difference in my allergies already. Got a medium-sized one, and we'll get the smaller version from a bedroom. Thumbs up to this product. Nice. And this product is available on Amazon Prime, so you get free shipping and free delivery. Today, you're gonna love the clean air.